Now, this is quite a story. A family of 5 tested positive for the coronavirus, and tonight a college student is left to care for her younger brother after her father and grandmother died, and now her mother. Her only hope is right now a lung transplant operation as she's in the hospital fighting for her life. NBC4's Christine Kim now has the story from Koreatown.
I had to grow up in a matter of less than 2 months.
22-year-old Hannah Kim speaking to us from her Koreatown apartment, the last place her family was together before the coronavirus took her grandma and father's life.
I had to see him talking to me for the last time over Zoom, and he was, he never cries, but he was crying, and he was telling me sorry.
During that time, Hannah and her 17-year-old brother were left quarantined alone because her mother was also admitted into the ICU. She fought, eventually testing negative for COVID, but last week it took a turn. Her lungs were just too damaged.
She can't breathe on her own. The machine is doing the breathing for her.
Hannah says doctors told her the only way to save her mom now is through a lung transplant. She's working with their health insurance, LA Care, to help get her transferred to UCLA or USC medical centers to start the process. Hannah believes despite her age, if her 60-year-old mom gets a lung transplant, her chances of survival are high.
Right before she got on the ventilator, I asked her, hey, do you still have a will to fight? Are you going to live with us? Are you going to, do you have enough energy to fight this? And she said yes.
With her mom now as her focus, a Cal State LA student has also been shouldering the bills, caring for her younger brother, on top of learning they're being evicted from their apartment. But Hannah says she's thankful for those helping to ease some of that financial burden.
People are really showing us a sense of community, and it really shows me that there are good people out there, and there are people who really do care for one another and are willing to give back.
In Koreatown, Christine Kim, NBC4 News.